In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use Nirmata with Google Cloud. First, in order to use Google Cloud, we add a cloud provider. To add a cloud provider, just select Google Compute Engine, and then you need to create a service account key from the Google console from the IAM section, and then add the account key over here. And then when you click on Next, your cloud account will be validated, and it will show up in Nirmata. Once the cloud account is added, we can onboard any clusters created in the Google Cloud in the Google Cloud. So I have a 3-node cluster I have created using with GKE, and I'm going to onboard that into Nirmata. So to add a cluster, select the first option, which is which is for an installed cluster, an existing cluster. When you click on this option, you can provide a name, and then click on the button to get the controller YAML file. You can download the YAML and then apply that YAML to the cluster so that it can be discovered. After applying the YAML file, we can check if the cluster is being discovered. In a few seconds, you should see that the cluster is installed, and you can start viewing the details of the cluster. In this case, you can see the cluster has 3 nodes, and we are also discovering additional cluster components. Now that the cluster is onboarded, we can start adding applications or deploying applications to this cluster. To deploy an application, you can create an application in Nirmata, um, or you can import an application that you already have. So we'll deploy this guestbook application. So before creating the application, we need to create an environment for that cluster. Now I can proceed with deploying my application. So in order to deploy, first let's take a look at the guestbook application. So this is a simple application with 3 different deployments, a front end, and then Redis master and a Redis slave. So you should see the application being deployed. You can check the status of all the different resources over here. So you can see Nirmata is applying the resources for these applications to the Kubernetes cluster. Once the resources are applied, Kubernetes will start creating these in the cluster. There, my application is now running. Next, if I want to scale up any components of my application, I can do that from Nirmata. So let's say if I scale up my front end to 4 bonds. Once the pods have scaled up, you can perform any other day 2 operations, such as changing the image or changing the configuration right here from Nirmata console. In addition, you get full visibility into all the events generated from the Kubernetes cluster for your application. That's it for the demo for with Google Cloud. Let us know if you have any questions or reach out to us at info@nirmata.com. Thank you.